Welcome to Kore Hub. I am Dr. Rafaqat Kazmi. This is our Python programming series. Today we will explore variables, dynamic typing and dynamic binding. What are the variables? Variables are the fundamental in programming. Imagine creating a website where users log in and see their profile pages with their name. Instead of creating separate page for each user, we use a variable to hold the user's name, which gets filled when they log in. Variables are the containers for future use. When you don't know the value a user will input in the future, you use variables. Creating variables in Python. In Python, creating variables is simple. Let's say you want to store your name. Name assigns to Alice. Print name. The name is a named memory location where actually the Alice is stored. You don't need to declare the data type. Python understands it automatically. If you try to store an invalid value like string without quotes, it will throw an error. In Python, there is no need for variables declaration. You use the variables directly when needed. Dynamic typing. Python uses dynamic typing. You don't specify the data type when creating a variable. Python deduces it automatically. Like age assigns 25, height assigns 5.9, is student assigns true. In contrast, language like C or Java requires static typing where you must declare the data type. Dynamic binding. Python allows dynamic binding, meaning a variable can change types like variable assigns hello, print variable. Variable assigns 1, 2, 3, print variable. Variable assigns false, print variable. In languages like C, once a variable is assigned a type, it cannot change. Python's flexibility here can simply code and reduce errors, even if some programmers from static typing backgrounds find it problematic. Special syntax for variable declaration. Python also offers special syntax for declaring multiple variables. Multiple variables in one line, like A assigns 5, semicolon, B assigns 6, semicolon, C assigns 7, semicolon. In this way, we declare three variables named A, B, C, and we assign them the values 5, 6, 7 in a single line. So we print A, B, C. Simultaneous assignment like X, Y, Z assigns 1, 2, 3. Print X, Y, Z. Chain assignment. I is assigns J, assigns K, assigns 10. Print I, J, K. This is called chain assignment. These techniques are useful and commonly seen in Python. That's it for today's lesson on variables, dynamic typing and dynamic binding. In our next video, we will discuss keywords and identifiers. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.